somebody.
Somebody.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
What color skin you are.
What color skin you are.
Black and white.
Black and white.
Respect me.
Respect me.
Don't neglect me.
Don't neglect me.
I'm a dope.
I'm a dope.
I am. Somebody. It is an honor and a privilege to be here on this wonderful occasion. I almost got lost and I was raised here and in the city of Chicago. We thank you so much for inviting me, and we want to give you something, a gift, and thank you from Operation Push. We love you and thank you. We can take membership today. You can give me $100, and that will be 2 members right there. It's only for today. I really appreciate this to the staff and people here. We thank you so much.